The 105th Squad is a costuming group formed for cosplayers by cosplayers. We are a 501c3 educational charity focusing on costuming and prop making. The entire group thrives by working together under our ideals of fun, passion, creativity, and charity.
Welcome to the 105th Squad at Leprecon44 here in Phoenix. Leprecon is a smaller convention held at different hotels around Phoenix every couple of years. This year we did a workshop. You'll see some video of our workshop where we taught everybody how to make bracers out of foam. We had a really good turnout of 105th Squad members and also people who are learning how to make bracers. So overall, we had a really great convention. Remember to check us out at our next convention, which will be Sabo in September. And keep watching the YouTube channel for more tips, tricks, and videos on how to do things and be creative and build the world. If you would like to see more content like this, please like this video. Consider subscribing to our channel and turn on notifications by clicking the bell icon just below this video to be alerted when new videos are published.